Hi guys, why don't we make a chickpea or garbanzo curry? We're going to use curry powder and coconut milk. In my mind. And then we're going to add a bunch of vegetables. This is really, really good stuff. It's good for you. A great way to not eat meat. I promise you won't even miss the meat. This is so tasty. Yeah, let's make this. If you haven't subbed, would you please sub and turn on your notification button? I'd really appreciate that. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you guys. Let's make this. So I'm going to heat about a tablespoon of oil in my pan, and I'm going to add a small onion which I minced. We're going to cook this for about 7 minutes until the onion is translucent and softened. I'm going to add 3 garlic cloves which I minced. This is about half of a medium zucchini which I cubed, a small potato which I peeled and cubed, and 3 small tomatoes which I peeled, seeded, and just chopped. I'm gonna add a little oil in the middle here. And I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of curry powder. The more curry powder you add, the spicier it's gonna be, so you decide if you want less, okay? We're gonna cook that in there with the oil. Mix it in, and we're just gonna let this cook for, I don't know, maybe 5 minutes, just like this. Work on medium heat so that you don't burn your vegetables, okay? Make sure you don't skip this step, because you do want that curry powder to cook. You don't want to taste it, raw inside your curry afterwards. You're not gonna like that. I am adding 2 15-ounce cans of garbanzo beans which I drained and washed. Add about a cup of water. If you want to use vegetable broth, that is fine. And I'm gonna add a 13-ounce can of unsweetened coconut milk. Oops, that's 403 milliliters. All right, guys, we're gonna season this with salt and pepper, and we are gonna let this simmer for about 20 minutes until the potatoes cook through. All right, see you when this is cooked. So this is ready, guys. All the vegetables are cooked through. I am turning off the heat. I'm gonna taste for salt. For me, it needs a little more, so I'm gonna add it. And I'm going to add 2 heaping handfuls of spinach. We're just gonna mix that in, and we're just gonna let those leaves wilt with the heat. That's all. We're not gonna cook them. If you would like, you could add cauliflower and eggplant to this as well. Okay, perfect. Look at that. We are going to serve our curry over a bed of white steamed rice. This is a beautiful, very nutritious, super delicious dish. Let's taste this. Wow. We have a nice heat from the curry. Oh, and the creaminess from the coconut. Those veggies are cooked perfectly. Yeah, guys, this is a really, really good meal. I promise you, you will not miss the meat.